And a very pleasant Sunday evening, everybody. Chief Meteorologist Mark Henderson here from the Weather Hub. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Kind of a mixed bag of a weekend, with Saturday being a somewhat crummy and cool day. Our Sunday proved to be absolutely the antithesis. Just a perfect day with sun splashed skies, nice gentle breeze here, as well as some very, very pleasant temperatures. Think we're going to get keep the beat rolling here, at least with regard to the sunshine and the pleasant temperatures, for at least the next 24 hours, as our satellite and radar picture shows quiet conditions, some showers well downstate. Our next weather maker is coming into view as you head on into the northern portions of the Rocky Mountains here, with some showers and even a few thunderstorms to the northeastern portions of Wyoming, western portions of South Dakota. This is going to be a very slow moving system, and one that's going to take some time in getting here. So I fully anticipate we're going to have another very pleasant day ahead of us here tomorrow. Let's take an hour by hour look here at our precision cast model here. We'll start things off right where we are here late this evening and track that storm system off to the west our way. That is the total amount of precipitation, which we don't necessarily care about at this stage in the game. We're going to talk about what or where the precipitation is actually going to find itself over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours. Here's where we'll stand at around 1 o'clock in the morning, with those showers making some very slow east northeasterly progress. So, absolutely no imminent threat to us. And then that storm system kind of parks off to our northwest as we go throughout the day tomorrow. Here's the picture at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, showing those showers well off to our northwest still, maybe getting just a touch more eastward progress late tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening. But as you can see, no concerns for us here locally over at least the next 24 to probably 36 hours. Here's where we are now on Tuesday as we kick off the day, 7 o'clock in the morning. Those showers and maybe even a few thunderstorms stretch from western portions of Minnesota back southwestward through western Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, and then central Kansas. It's still going to take a while before this activity to reach us. I think we get through the first two-thirds to three-quarters of the day dry. In fact, our daytime hours may end up entirely dry, as this very most recent model run shows. This activity may not reach the Mississippi River until we get closer to 7 o'clock on Tuesday evening. Here then on Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, that's when I do start to think that our rainfall chances may start to increase just a little bit more. Here's the picture at 10 o'clock Tuesday night. But I really think that the best chances for rain would come here during the overnight hours, maybe even after midnight, and taking us into the early stages of Wednesday morning. So, all things considered, not a whole heck of a lot to worry about. And with this storm system, I don't foresee there being much in the way of any sort of significant precipitation. In fact, this model projection suggests that the heaviest of the rains will stay well to our south and west. Much heavier rains much farther downstate in southern portions of Illinois and Indiana. Minimal amounts expected for us here. So, overall, the impacts are not likely to be overly high. Not necessarily the greatest news, because we do find ourselves in a worsening drought situation. Here's the very latest U.S. drought monitor that was just issued here within the past couple of days, which suggests that a significant chunk of Illinois, we're having a hard time getting this to show up here on the map, but what I can tell you is that a significant chunk of Illinois, including us here in the state line proper, find ourselves to be in a state of significant drought, not just a moderate drought, but a severe drought. Southwesternmost portions of our viewing area find themselves to be in that severe drought. As for the forecast here locally, we're expecting temperatures around 62 degrees for us here tomorrow. Let's call it partly cloudy. Some showers late in the day or at night on Tuesday with a high temperature of 60. A couple of those showers could linger into early portions of Wednesday. 56 will be our Wednesday high temperature. Then 55 on Thursday. Halloween Friday, 53 degrees during the daytime. Look for temperatures to be in the middle to upper 40s for trick or treaters. with generally light breezes, so not a bad Halloween by most accounts. And then we kick off November on Saturday with a high of 53 degrees. 55 will be the high temperature on Sunday, November 2nd. And it's Saturday night into Sunday morning where the clocks will go back an hour. We fall back as we say goodbye to daylight saving time, which means that a week from today, our sunset will occur before 5 o'clock. Kind of depressing to think about that. Many of you have probably noticed the leaves changing colors considerably over the last several days. A lot of folks here on our viewer mail segment in the last couple of weeks have asked, what's the reasoning behind the color change? Well, we'll stay tuned here to our YouTube channel and also here on Facebook. We'll take a deeper dive and explain some of the science behind the changing colors. That'll be coming up here in the next day or so. We'll run another little viewer mail segment sometime here as the weather permits as we move out of October and into November. Again, stay tuned here. We'll have a little more on that on YouTube and here on Facebook in the coming days about the changing fall colors, what factors go into it, what may make colors brighter or less vivid from year to year, and how our current weather may actually be playing a role in this year's fall colors. All right, that's it for us here for now. Always a pleasure to be with you, and hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday and a fantastic start to the work week. Take care, everyone.